You arrive to a new place. You're uncertain of what to do. Perhaps you don't know the local language, or are afraid of making a mistake, or feel worried that you will not fit in. So what do? Let me give you some tips on how you can quickly assess your new surroundings. Number 1, observe how people communicate. Communication is more than speaking. It involves watching how people greet each other, dress, walk in and out of someone's office, and maintain eye contact or lack thereof. Observe how far away people stand when they converse. Pay attention to silence. It's also part of communication. Number 2, watch behaviors. Do people arrive to work on time? What happens when someone is speaking and they get interrupted? Do meetings start and end on time? Watching how others behave models behavior for you. It teaches you how to act. Number 3, pay close attention to power. Who has it? Who doesn't? How do subordinates treat their superiors and vice versa? Do bosses hold on to power or delegate it? Do staff members wait for instructions? Who eats where and with whom? Paying close attention here lets you know where you stand. Number 4, be mindful of conflict. How is it handled? How is it expressed? How is bad news communicated? How do people deal with mistakes? Is communication face-to-face or behind closed doors? Understanding conflict will help you get along better with others and keep you out of trouble. Number 5, be aware of norms when people interact. Do they get to the task right away, or do they go through a process of friendly chatter first? Do people work alone or in groups? Are there different roles for men and women? What behaviors are rewarded? Are people praised in public or privately? Are rules and procedures closely followed? Become aware of the local norms. It'll help you fit in and save you from experiencing embarrassing moments.